What's going on, Fireflies? It is me, NeonMUA, and I am back at you for another video. My skin looks so good right now. Alright, so today's been a real chill day for me. So I figured, why not shoot a get ready with me? I've been putting this off for months now, and the last one was in January, so why not? So today's video, I'm just going to be doing my makeup, chatting about stuff. Yeah, and see how this goes. If you're enjoying this video or any of my videos, make sure you go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload videos. We're uploading videos roughly twice a week, so yeah. Anything else I need to mention? Alright, you guys, without further ado, we're gonna get right into this. Get ready with me. It's just simple, you know? So let's go. Alright, so I don't know what I'm doing today. I kind of know what I'm doing. I'm just going to throw something together. I don't know what to talk about. It's April, you guys. I hope you guys are having a great start of the year. I am. So it's cool. Just taking Maybelline SuperStay foundation. And I have these new Beauty Blender sponges. These are huge, you guys. This is how they look dry. This is it wet. This is a huge sponge. It's like at least twice the size of a Beauty Blender. So we're gonna try these out. I wanna see how they work. Sponges are harder than Beauty Blenders, but I feel like they work just as well. For the sponge, it does the job. It's big and it's a lot harder than Beauty Blenders, which, you know, to each their own. I like the softness of Beauty Blenders sometimes, but I feel like using harder brush or harder sponges like this are actually better or easier for me to work with. And guys, you noticed, but I have been having a few more breakouts than usual. I wouldn't say it's stress perhaps, but there's been a lot of different things going on. And I've kind of tweaked my skincare routine to kind of accommodate that. And I've noticed that it's helping. So the main reason why I got these sponges is because I feel like with the Beauty Bakerie Cake Face concealers, because these concealers are so matte and dry down fast and what have you, they need a little extra work. So hopefully these sponges will work with these concealers and, you know, whatever. Alright, so the sponge kind of helps a little bit. This concealer is just, it's a little rough to work with. There's no way around it. But it's all good. It's all good. It's not a big deal. Some of you guys know, and I've talked about this a million times. I got a promotion at work. So I'm currently the beauty consultant for my Walgreens, which is super because it aligns with everything that I do now. The only thing is that I have to work 5 days a week instead of 4. So that's why my videos have been so sporadic these past few weeks. But we're getting there. It's getting better. I'm figuring things out. It's all good. I'm here now. That's what counts. So that's what's been going on here. Other than that, I've just been working and grinding, trying to make content for you guys. Trying not to come up with some things. If you guys have any ideas for videos, please let me know in the comments below. Or let me know on Twitter or Instagram or wherever you can find me. Next, I'm going to be trying out a new product. This is the new Morphe Brontour palette combo thing. Basically a bronzer and contour combination situation. I've used this before, so I know how it works. It's not too bad, but you know, it's one of the better bronzing palettes that I've seen. Unfortunately, I have to use the darkest one, and I feel like it's still not dark enough. So Morphe, if you're watching this video, I suggest you guys get into the lab, expand this formula or expand these colors, because there are people who are darker than me that need these. IJS. Surprisingly, there's been a lot more companies releasing complexion related products with darker ranges, I guess. Okay, I'll put it this way. There are a lot more companies that are releasing things like bronzers, and that is exciting. ABH released their line of bronzers, and that color range is actually really surprising. I don't have the bronzer. Thought about getting it. I might get it just to see, but I think it's great that companies are starting to realize that they need to work on things like this. Hope other companies take note. So yeah, with this bronzer and ABH bronzer, I think it's great that companies are paying more attention to things that people need. Super! I feel like the bronzer itself is really good. I prefer the Pro Definition palette that I use for my Morphe more, simply because there are cool tone colors in that. And I feel like this bronzer color could be a bit more cool tone. For a start, this is actually not bad. I expect more and better though. So Morphe, get to it. Speaking of Morphe, I don't know if you guys noticed, but on Twitter I kind of like told you guys that I have a new giveaway coming up soon. The giveaway will be probably, I'll post a video for the giveaway probably at the end of next week, beginning of the week after. The giveaway itself will probably run into the end of April, maybe the beginning of May. But it's going to be my biggest giveaway. Yeah, I've only had 2, but it will be the biggest giveaway I've done. And as I said, or as the hints giveaway, hopefully you've seen. If you haven't seen it by now, basically I'm doing a new giveaway at the end of this month, and it will be on 2 items actually, by 2 different companies. One of them is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, the other one is by Morphe. So it'll be interesting. Like I said, there's going to be a video on the products that I'm doing the giveaway on very soon, and so it's going to be fun. It's going to be a cute little giveaway, and there are actually going to be 2 winners this time, so you have more than one chance to win, and hopefully you will. And you know, it's going to be a cute. It's going to be a cute video. I can't wait for it to come out. It's going to be cute. I'm going to do my eyebrows, and we're gonna come back and do the eyes, and we're gonna chat some more. So be right back. So brows are done. The outwork is not gonna be too complicated. Everything's gonna come from the Prism palette by ABH. There's a lot of ABH and Morphe here, but it's leading up to the giveaway, you know. I'm actually going to start by using their new Morphe primer. Primer works. I don't see any problems with that. I like the primer. I've used it. It works pretty decent for me. It's one of the better primers that I have. Of course, I feel like concealer works just as good, but if you're looking for an actual eye primer, then you know, this one be a good one to grab as well. This eye look is not going to be too complex. It's going to be more graphic than anything. So there's going to be a liner, there's going to be some pops of color here and there, but the overall look is going to be real simple. Basically going to be using Parallel and Sphinx to flush over the eye. And while I'm doing that, it's chit chat. So Cardi's new album just came out, and I love it. I love the fact that it's very much mixtape Cardi. It's not too much, like, she didn't get commercial. And I have that I worry about a lot with a lot of artists, not just female rappers, but a lot of rappers or a lot of artists, especially those who I follow when they were indie. It's very much Cardi. There is, of course, there's a little bit of like commercialism, if you will. There's the Bodak Yellow, this, that, there. But the song sounds, I mean, the album is great. It's a bop. It's something that I'm still listening to and loving every time I listen to it. But yeah, that album is out. I'm happy for Cardi. Congrats to Cardi on that, and congrats to Cardi on her pregnancy. I know a lot of us are like worried about her in terms of her pregnancy because, you know, her careers are starting off, and of course it's what all said, but at the end of the day, if Cardi's happy, I'm happy, and she's bringing new life into this world, and we can't complain too much about those things. So yeah, on the other, I've been listening, there's a lot of music I'm excited about this month. Azealia Banks released a new song called "And the Wind Tour," and it is everything. I'm a big fan of AB. You guys know this. A lot of my background music is AB, so I love AB. As problematic as she is, I love her. I love her music. I love ballroom 90s house music. So I love Pretty AB. I love Moving On Up. Moving On Up has been on repeat since it came out. I listen to it at least 5 times a day. Anna Wintour I listen to at least 10 times a day. Anna Wintour is so runway, it's so ballroom, it's so kind. I love it. If you guys, there's a video of Naomi Campbell walking to it. Somebody, you know, put it over her walk, but it is everything. Anna Wintour's Bob, Azalea Banks, congrats to that song, because that song is amazing. I'm in love with Anna Wintour. Tinashe's new album comes out next week, or when you're watching it, it'll be this week. Yeah, Tinashe's album comes out this week, and that's exciting. Joyride. A lot of people have been waiting for, including myself, have been waiting for Joyride for years. Not months, but years. So it's nice to know that it's coming out. Hopefully the songs on the album aren't necessarily correlated to the songs that have been put out so far. The 3 songs that she's put out, what are those 3 songs called? No Drama with Offset, which I feel like Offset's verse on that song was a choice, but the song I like. The song Me So Bad with Ty Dolla $ign and French Montana is, it's cute. It's very, there's nothing special about it. It sounds like a lot of music that's been on the radio for the past year. That island sound. It's cute. Of course I love anything that Ty Dolla $ign's on, because he's just, I love Ty Dolla $ign. I could do without French Montana though. But the song that obviously I've been stuck on is Faded Love. Oh, I love Faded Love so much. And I don't even mind the fact that Future's on the song. I don't personally like Future, but I don't mind it. Like, Faded Love is, I feel like Faded Love should be the song that she should push the most. But you know, the album comes out this week, so hopefully the album will not sound all island inspired music. Sound like all island inspired music. Hopefully there will be some more to it, because I really need Tinashe to let the girls know why she was the it girl with Aquarius. So Tinashe, give me something good, because unfortunately a lot of people brushed off Tinashe, and Tinashe is actually a really good artist. Tennis Shoe, I know we give her a lot of heat calling her Tennis Shoe, Tuna Fish, everything, but Tinashe is really talented. She's an amazing dancer, something that a lot of girls don't do now. She's an amazing songwriter, which I always will appreciate, is a great songwriter. So I am looking forward to Joyride. So I'm going to take Throne, which is that emerald green from this palette, and just run that at the bottom of my eyes. The album that I am most excited about this month is going to be Dirty Computer by Janelle Monáe. I love Janelle Monáe. I've been in love with Janelle Monáe since Metropolis to Chase Sleep. I have always been in love with her creativity, the way that she pushes the envelope. I've been proud of everything she's been doing as far as acting and executive work, but I'm happy that she's finally coming back to music. Her past 2 videos that came out, I'm so proud of those songs. One being Black Girl Magic song, the other one being about sexuality. I'm proud of Janelle Monáe. I love her, and I can't wait until this album comes out, because the fans have been waiting. We've been waiting. Oh gosh. Now I'm gonna go in and spice this look up a little bit. I'm taking Dimension, which is that lavender frosty color from this palette. I am popping it in the inner corner. Alright, I'm gonna finish up this eye with some liner, and this is what makes it more graphic. First I'm gonna take the NYX Vivid Bright Liner in Vivid Halo. Then I'm gonna add the Maybelline Master Precise Gold Liner. The color is called Solar Gold. I'm gonna finish up the eyes with mascara, and then I'm gonna throw on this Eylure KrazyRayRay Filled Mink Lashes in the style Crazy Klassy. And I'll be right back. The eyes are done. I'm gonna go in and do some blush, highlight, etc. I'm taking the Saharan blush palette by JUVIA'S, and I'm gonna go into the color Lila, which is like a not holographic, but like a, it's like a warm golden orange. Wow, I didn't realize how pretty that was. Oh boy, this is exciting. Oh, that is, wow, that is pretty. That is gorgeous. And I know it's, you know, it's got shine to it, but using it more as a brush, because the color is stunning. Like this color, oh my gosh, I found my new favorite blush. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Why does a pretty blush? I was sleeping on this because I was using the mattes, but this blush is, oh wow. And it's like a bronzy blush too. Oh, this is my new favorite blush. For highlight, I'm actually going to go with more of the purple to help blend everything in together. So I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting stick called Hello Darkness. And I did a review on this product. So if you want to see how I felt about that, you can see now, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna put it directly on the skin first and blend that out. Yeah, I want to use this more often, but I like this stick. It's not overpowering and it doesn't lift up the foundation, which is. I'm taking the White Raven Press Highlighter from Wet n Wild, which is from that Gothaholic collection as well. And I'm going to take that and put that right on top of that cream highlight. Ooh, highlight is cute. Now to finish up this lip, I'm taking the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the color 0.0. Ooh, oh, this is a look. Ah, I look bomb. But bomb with nowhere to go. Shut up. And that is the completed look. Sorry if I didn't talk too much, but I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I look bomb. For a full list of products, everything will be listed in the description box below so you guys can get this look. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you liked this video and enjoyed yourself, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. And if you're stuck around this long, you might as well go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload videos roughly twice a week. Also follow me on all my social media accounts. That is NeonMUA on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, as well as Lionheart555 on Snapchat. And you guys want to go ahead and make sure you follow me on those places because my giveaway is coming up soon. I want you guys to know when it comes out so you guys can win. And yada. Also make sure you guys share this video with your friends, family, haters, everyone in the world. I want to get 200 subscribers by August. So if you guys can help me with that, that would be lovely. Thanks. And yeah, that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys again for watching, and until next time, later.
That was garbage.
I don't need your judgments, okay?